What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to increase the speed of the Kugoo scooters. Actually, it's suitable for many Kugoo scooters here, but currently I will show you example on M4 Max Plus here from Kugoo company. So actually, let me show you how to do it very briefly. Firstly, you turn on your scooter, just press power button to turn it on. Actually, I will just show the screen here so you can see it more clearly. Also, there is lock, so I unlock my scooter here. Now you see the main screen. Actually, depends on your scooter. Firstly, you need to hold the power button for 3 seconds, or as in my case, you need to hold plus and minus here all together. Let's hold it, then you enter the menu, and using the power button need to select the specific option. So here are many options available. I do not recommend to touch all of them. There is cruise control can be activated. I think I will be back in the next video how to do it, how to increase the speed and how to increase functionality of your scooter. Currently I will just enlarge the speed. Firstly, before doing that, let me exit. So in order to exit, you need to hold power button. So actually that's save the settings and exit. So firstly, let's test it out, the speed before unlock. Actually, put the gear 3 here. Okay, hold the scooter. So gear 3, let's test it out. So as you see, 25 kilometers per hour, it's 26, it's the maximum. And now let's try it out. Let's again enter the menu, plus and minus all together, hold it, and go to point 15. Maybe in your case it can be different point, but in mine it's 15, and actually here will be a number from 0 to 100 that you can set up. So I have 45 here, then use plus and minus, put it to 100. So actually that's the powerness of your scooter. Of course, if you do need 100% use of your wheels and of your motors, you can just put 75, let's say. I will put to 100, so the maximum motor power, engine power of your scooter. So let's set to 100 is the maximum. Hold the power button to save. Now let's turn it on again and unlock it. Then hold your scooter and test it out, what we have. Okay, it's gear 1, it's already increased. Gear 3 here. So actually that's the maximum speed is 58 kilometers per hour. In gear 2 we have 41, and the most important, of course, gear 2, so 58 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed that we can reach here. Let's try again. 58, working well, stable. And actually that's how you can easily unlock your scooter, any Kugoo scooter, within 3 minutes.